alert! Stop what you're doing because GameStop now has their brand new gaming PC section available on their website. This is clearly gonna go well. CPUs and processors, important. Video cards, hard drives and storage, motherboards, memory, and cases. Seems like all the ingredients I need. Jared, are these MSRP prices on graphics?
It looks to be that they are.
To be fair, some of these are a little off. So there's an RTX 3050 for $400, which that's not right. So Micro Center, just because I want to make sure that we're not getting ripped off here. Micro Center has 3070s and 3080s in stock. And honestly, these prices are relatively the same. I'm kind of feeling this RTX 3060. What CPUs do they have in stock? The selection is a little bit limited, and it's also all Intel. 12700F, add to cart. Why do they, Jared?
What?
They have mostly AMD motherboards for only Intel CPUs. Why? Oh, okay. They have 980 Pros, they have 970 Evos, they have Seagates, they have Samsung T7s. The Evo is PCI 3, yeah, it's PCI 3, but that's fine, who cares? They have like 12 cases to choose from.
Oh, wow.
Wait, what is an Atrix tempered glass computer case? What? Oh God, this looks terrible. This is gonna be like the white bread of gaming PCs. It's gonna be the missionary of gaming PCs. This is the basic white girl Starbucks order of gaming PCs. They have 3 pages of coolers.
Oh, whoa, that's
They have a Z63. They got low profile coolers. They have a Kraken G12 GPU cooler.
What?
The Hyper 212 Black Edition. $45 for this? That seems pretty reasonable. All right, we should need a power supply. They have mostly Cooler Master and EnerMax, but they have some NZXT, they have some EVGA. A little expensive on the power supplies though. Like they don't have any decent power supplies for less than like $100. So, let's see our grand total. $1,670.
Oh.
This actually seems reasonable. Almost too good to be true. All right, so after a couple of weeks, GameStop packages have arrived. We opened all the boxes to make sure everything was actually here, but it's all here, don't worry. It's all in good shape.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course. The case and the graphic card, both of which took almost 2 weeks to show up. Everything else showed up within like 2 to 4 days, which was fine. Item number 1 is nicely padded. A single stick of RAM.
Wait, just one?
Just one.
Is that all you ordered?
So, Ken, here's the thing, right?
Single channel?
No, we ordered 2. But there's a quantity limit of 1 per, and they only had 2 kinds of RAM. So we had to get one 8 gig stick and one 16 gig.
It says here on the box, buy 2 for optimal performance.
They wouldn't sell me 2! They said there was a quantity limit of 1! In this box we have a power supply. So far we've had 2 boxes for 2 components, but whatever, it's fine. Some of our previous GameStop experiences have had, shall we say, less than stellar packaging. Here's our most exciting thing.
Graphics card?
Yes, sir.
Did you wait for a drop, or was this just readily available on the site?
Readily available for basically MSRP. One of the issues that we had with this video was that they have all the parts you need to build a gaming PC. However, they have like 1 or 2 of most parts.
I'm now back on GameStop's website a couple of weeks after we ordered these parts. And not only do they have Ryzen CPUs available, they also have AMD GPUs available. So they've expanded on their selection in just a short amount of time.
They restocked with all the parts that we would have wanted to buy in the first place. We're missing the most important component. And honestly, what separates GameStop from the rest? When I saw this, I just couldn't help but spice up our gaming PC setup with the GameStop exclusive Pikachu and Zekrom GX Tag Team box. Wait, where are you going?
Home. Jared, is he really just gonna do this right now?
Yes, he is. He warned me ahead of time and he paid me extra not to tell you.
Look at all these packs! Do you see how many packs that is? Count them! That's 10! Woo! We got the Alt-Art Umbreon! For context, the promo card, worth $9. However, the Umbreon V, currently, raw, as is, selling for $90. So I'm gonna subtract $90 from the price of my GameStop PC build. That, kids, is how gambling works. Ken.
Yes.
Welcome to the almost complete GameStop gaming PC builds. Thankfully, the colorway is great here because we had one choice, and it was black with a side of black and more black.
I mean, these MSI boards are super basic, but they really get you everything for the 12th gen Intel. So.
Absolutely. And importantly, this is a DDR5 board. We got ourselves the i7-12700F without the graphics to save ourselves a few dollars to buy some more Pokemon cards.
I mean, you already have graphics here anyway.
Exactly. You can see, I mean, a very large card, but if you flip it over, you'll see that this is all just cooling, right? So this is the actual graphics card. This is all just excess sort of fins.
So what are you gonna do when this PC is built? Like, are you going to benchmark it? Like, what are you trying to accomplish here? Price to performance?
It's not about the performance, it's about the value that GameStop can provide.
Yeah! Ken?
Austin Evans, answering the questions that no one's asked.
Ken, stop making fun of my video ideas, okay? I'm trying to come up with interesting video concepts. Not everyone's gonna watch a danky everyday carry video like every basic YouTuber from 2011.
YouTube.com/.
I'm feeling pretty good about this PC. Now with a 3060 on board, we've got plenty of performance for basically any game you want to throw at it. We can of course support ray tracing and whatnot. Now the 3060, even today with graphics card pricing coming down, I think it's probably one of the best sort of bang for buck cards out there. Like, I might be down a tire right now. It's a little tough. I don't have my maneuverability.
The wheel's not even moving, dude.
Well, yeah, because I broke it. I'm just gonna pause the game for a second. You hear that? Yeah, you don't, because it's dead silent.
Hey,
and that's without the window on.
Hey,
yes,
hey.
yes, yes.
Can you stand over here? Stand where I'm at. Come here. Now, stoop down a little bit. Get to the eye level. Get to eye level of the graphics card. Come on. Does that look straight to you?
Yep.
It's 2022, Ken.
I don't need you to judge my PC. Is there a little bit of sag with the card? Maybe. Behold, my friends, the GameStop gaming PC of your dreams. Not only does it have a... What'd you bring a power spec for? I'm not even done telling you why this is great.
It's better.
What do you mean it's better? The power spec?
Yeah. This came pre-built. I did not have to pay the employees. Or I did, but it was included in the price, which is about the same as this.
Actually, do you not know the price of your system?
I actually don't know anything. What's in this?
What Ken has is a power spec pre-built PC, which has a 3060, so similar to the GameStop system. However, it is lower end as far as it has a Ryzen 5 instead of my Core i7. It's got a smaller 512 gig SSD instead of 1 terabyte, but it's also $1,200 as opposed to $1,600 like my system. I ran this whole parts list through PC Part Picker, right?
Okay.
So PC Part Picker is an aggregator that puts together all kinds of PC components from across the web and gives you the best possible pricing, right? So for example, if I want to build this exact PC using PC Part Picker, I have to order from Newegg, GameStop, Amazon, GameStop, Amazon, NZXT, and EVGA directly. And I would save a grand total of $5 compared to just buying it from GameStop. GameStop is the cheapest place on the internet to buy the SSD, to buy the cooler, and everything else is within $1 or $2. It's almost as if GameStop has, sorry, great deals. Sorry, I couldn't say it. I just couldn't say it with a, GameStop has great deals, and you should build a game PC at GameStop.
Breathe, 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 breathe.
Are you trying to say that GameStop is bringing power to the players?
Okay,
Oh
that's
my
enough,
God,
Jared. That's enough, Jared. That's
Jared.
enough. There's only one thing left to do. One thing only. I'll be right back.
Wish me luck.
Audio sounds good.
Hi, can I trade something in? I love some store credit.